Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to discuss with you a unique issue I just came across on one of my cell phone. This issue was actually related to YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. This issue I observed on one of my MI cell phone on which YouTube suddenly stopped working. It was not loading at all. So before I could give you a solution of this, let me just give you a summary of this issue. I actually use two SIM cards on my MI phone, and primarily I was using Airtel as my primary service provider. So I am using Airtel and Jio as my primary and secondary service providers. So actually Airtel was my primary and Jio was my secondary service provider. For some reason I decided to change my secondary service provider to the primary one. So what I did is I recharged my secondary SIM card and I put that as a primary one. So when I made my secondary as a primary one and post which I tried to open my YouTube and it was not working at all. It kept on loading. Tried multiple troubleshooting, but it couldn't resolve my issue. So finally what I did is the one which I'm going to share with you now. So at first I thought of checking my settings on phone first. So for that what I did is I went to the main settings and I went to apps, then under which I went to manage apps. Under manage apps I went inside the YouTube. Here at first I tried to clear the cache. It didn't work out, after which I did a force stop. Then also it couldn't resolve my issue. But finally I got that when I was checking this option, restrict data usage, in which I see two of my SIM card have been selected. So when I went inside that, I saw that the secondary Jio which I did a recharge recently was not tick marked. So that was the reason why YouTube was not taking my service provider for the internet services. Then I realized that this could be that option which is preventing YouTube from not loading at all. So what I did is I checked both the SIM card and selected an option not to restrict any of my primary and secondary SIM cards for the usage of YouTube. Post which I restarted my cell phone and switched on my internet and again opened the YouTube app, and now this time it started working. So now I see my YouTube has opened successfully. But for anybody who is facing the similar issue, I thought of just sharing my knowledge or whatever experience I've gone through my YouTube issue. So hope this would be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching my channel.